A few students of mine recently questioned whether they are allowed to play anything during the 30-second of prep time in the ABRSM Sight-Reading test. They Googled it, and apparently Google said no playing allowed. And this information is incorrect. This is what the official ABRSM syllabus for 2025-2026 actually says. The students will be given half a minute to look through and, if they want to, try out any or all of the tests before they are asked to play it for assessment. So yes, you absolutely can and should play during that time. You can try just selected places in the piece, or you can try to play it all the way through. That will not have any reflection on your final performance, and examiner is not allowed to judge you during these 30 seconds of preparation time. And if you want to check that yourself, I've linked the official syllabus page in the video description. It's free to download, and I highly recommend doing so. There is plenty of useful information in that syllabus. And as usual, if you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe for more piano tips, discussions, and tutorials from Otto Piano School.